Yeah, today we're going to talk about freezing brakes and how to deal with that and how to avoid it. Every winter we go through several sets of tires that end up flat spotted because someone hooked to them and pulled them out of a location, and the brakes were frozen, the tires weren't turning, and it ends up ruining the tires by creating a flat spot in it. One of the best habits to get into in the winter time is anytime you hook to a trailer, when you pull it out of a spot and you get out room in the parking lot, swing to the left and swing to the right, look in your mirrors, check the tires, make sure they're actually turning. The driver's side is really easy to do. The passenger side can be a little tougher, especially at night when it's dark. But usually a quick kick with a snow-covered boot to the sidewall will leave a mark so you can see it in the mirror. And just make sure those tires, the brakes have actually released and the tires are turning. Otherwise you could end up on the side of the road with flat tires waiting for road surface. One of the best ways to avoid this is if you're driving in bad weather or wet roads, you know it's going to be cold later on. When you get within a mile or so of your destination, just pull down on the trolley handle on the dash to apply the trailer brakes and pull it down real light, just enough so you can feel a noticeable drag on it, and hold it for 3 or 4 seconds and let up. And do that 2 or 3 times before you get to where you're going to drop the trailer. The idea here isn't to smoke the brakes and get them really, really hot. You just want to warm them up enough so it melts off the snow and it's in there and evaporates the water. So when the brakes are applied, when you drop the trailer, they don't freeze together, so they won't turn. Later we'll have another video. We'll show you how to deal with it once they are frozen, but just keep an eye out for make sure your wheels are turning every time you hook to a trailer.